वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन् लृलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् ञमङणनं जभै घढदश् जबगढदश् खफ छठ थ छटतौ कपै कषसर् हल् विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचु यशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनां नासिका च एदैतो गोकण्ठतालु तो गोकण्ठ ओष्ठम् कारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जह्वा मूलीयस्य जह्वा मूल्यम् नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
राजमणिः सदा
विजयते
विजयते रामं
रामं
रमेशं
रमेशं
भजे
भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर
Sundarji, you can read this Subhashitam.
Adamaha dhanamichanti dhanam manam cha madhyamaha uttamaha manamichanti manohi mahatam dhanam.
Yes. You can do Sandhi Vicheda.
Sandhi Adamaha dhanamichanti. There is then dhanam manam cha madhyamaha. Both dhanam and manam anuswara sandhi. Uttamaha manamichanti. Then manohi mahatam dhanam. Manaha hi. Manohi. Is it mahatam dhanam is anuswara sandhi, but
Yes.
Manohi. Manaha plus he is manohi.
Yes, that's what it is. Yeah. Similarly, Uttamaha is there. Uttamaha, the Visarga need not be there. Already Sandhi is done. Uttamaha plus Manam. Uttama Manam will be there. But Sandhi already I have done Sandhi Vicheda done. That's why Visarga you see it here. Uttamaha.
Yeah.
If it is Uttama Manam, then it should be Uttamaha Manam. The Sandhi should tell. Anyway, Visarga is there, therefore already split. The meaning is very simple, quite simple. Ichanti, ke ichanti, adamaha ichanti. Kim ichanti, dhanam ichanti. Adamanaha is, there's inferior, there's inferior, people of very poor, the qualities, self-dignity, self-respect, adamaha. They desire dhanam. Whereas mediocre people, madhyamaha ichanti, dhanam manam cha. They desire wealth as well as manam, respect. For adamaha, there is no manam. We don't care for manam, dignity, respect. Where uttamaha manam ichanti. Great people, uttamaha. Uttamaha is superior. Manam ichanti. Manaha, why? Because manaha hi magatam dhanam. Manaha, honor, respect, dignity is the dhanam, is the wealth of magatam, the great people. Manaha, magatam, dhanam. Simple Subhashitam. Then this Shatranta, what we are seeing, this Pullinga, it is, you can see it is summarized in this one chart. There are some typos are there. I'll tell you the typos later. Or maybe to correct that. Shatrantanam Pratipadika Nirmanam. How to construct the Pratipadika. Now, the first column you see on the left hand side. Shatru. Shatru. Ajadi apit. Shatru, Ajadi, apit. Can you all see that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shatru, Ajadi, apit. Shatru is what? It is
Sarvadhataka.
Sarvadhataka. Therefore, apit. The content of Shatru is
At.
At. Therefore, it is Ajadi. Okay. Now, the first Gana, Bhuvadi Gana, one example is taken. Gachanti. Gachanti. From that, we can infer the Pratipadikam. Pratham Purusha Bhagavachanam. From that, we can infer the Pratipadikam. Gachanti will become Gachat. Or you can take you can yes, you can take Gachanti. Okay, fine. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Ti, you remove it, you get Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Gachan. From that, Gachat can be inferred. Right? That is what we saw. Knowing the Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam form of the Dhatu in Latlakara, you can infer the Pratipadikam of the Shatranta. One is you can derive it. The derivation, if you know, it is simple. Otherwise, you can infer like this. Knowing the Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam form of the Latlakara of the Dhatu, from that, you can infer the Pratipadikam, Shatranta Pratipadikam. Like this, for example, Bhadigana Gachanti is there. So, Gachanti, if you remove Ti, you will get Gachan. And that Gachan will be the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana form. If Gachan is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana form, the Pullinga, then Pratipadikam will be Gachat. Being Shatranta, therefore Takarantaha. Takarantaha Pullingaha Gachat Shabdaha. In the same way, for all of the ganas are given here. So, the first gana Pratipadikam is Gachat. This is inferring the Pratipadikam. So, Gachat, first gana, example, Gamdhatu, from which we derive the Pratipadikam, Gachat. Divadigana, fourth gana dhatu, fourth gana, and the first dhatu is Div dhatu, whose form is Divyanti, Latlakara, Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam. From that we can infer the Pratipadikam, Divyat. Similarly, sixth gana, Pratipadikam, sixth gana, Tudadigana, Tudanti, Tud is the first dhatu, it's Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam is Tudanti. From that we can infer Tudat. Similarly, Choradigana, Chorayat. 1, 4, 6, 10. All these are Adanta. Remember Adanta Anga? What is Adanta Anga?
Content.
Anga ending in Akara Varna.
Yeah, with respect to Ting Pratyaya. With respect to Ting Pratyaya, with respect to Krit Pratyaya, Kshatru Pratyaya. They're called Adanta. 1, 4, 6, 10 are Adanta Anga. What I mean by Adanta Anga is, in the case of the Kriya Padam, Dhatu plus the Gana Vikarna plus Ting Pratyaya. The Gana Vikarna for 1, 4, 6, 10. First Gana is Shap. It is, the content is A. Fourth Gana is Shan. The content is Ya. Sixth Gana, the content is, the Gana Vikarna is Sha. The content is A. And 10th Gana, anyway, you are adding Nich and then you are adding Shap. Therefore, it is like the first Gana only. The content is A. So 1, 4, 6, 10, if you see, the Dhatu plus the Gana Vikarna, that Anga will be ending with A. Therefore, they are called Adadi Anga. With respect to the Pratyaya, what you add, whether it is a Tinganta Pratyaya, in the case of deriving the Kriya Padam, or Kridanta Pratyaya, like Shatru, Krit Pratyayas. Shatru you add. So with respect to Shatru, these are Adanta, 1, 4, 6. That is why they are marked in the particular color. Adanta iti. Right? Now for the fifth Gana, 5, 8, 9, 7, 2. 5, 8, 9, 7, 2, you can see. Fifth Gana is Swadigana. The Dhatu begins with Su. And one Dhatu is taken as example, Chinvanti. Chinoti, Chinutaha, Chinvanti. So Latlakara, Prathama Purusha Bhagavachana form is Chinvanti. From that we can infer the Pratipadikam, Chinvat. Because Chinvanti is there, T, you remove it, you get Chinvan. Chinvan is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of the Pratipadika, Chinvat. That is how you have to understand this. Similarly, Tanadigana, 8th Gana. Important dhatu is Kuru dhatu. Its Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam is Kuruvanti. T, you remove it, you get Kuruvan. That is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of the Pratipadika, Kuruvat. Similarly, 9th Gana dhatu, Kriyadi dhatu, Krinat. 7th Gana Rudhadi dhatu, Rundhat, Pratipadikam. And 2nd Gana Adadi, Santi. One dhatu is taken as dhatu. The dhatu is as dhatu, whose Pratipadikam will be Sat. And the 3rd Gana, which is Jyotyadi Gana, where you see the duplication of the dhatus. The dhatu will be repeated. Da dhatu becomes Dadati. Dadati is Bhagavachana. Dadati is Prathama Purusha Bhagavachana. Its Pratipadikam will be Dadat. Okay. So 1, 4, 6, 10 for this. Okay, this is about the construction of the Pratipadikam. This is about the construction. Shatranta only we will see. Shanaj, we are going to see later. Now, Shatranta Pratipadika Nirmanam. Now, its forms are given here. Its forms are given here. Shatranta Pullingaha. It's divided into two. One is Shatranta Abhyastam, Shatranta Anabhyastam. Abhyasta is, for now you can understand, Abhyasta is as the duplication, where the dhatu is repeated. That is called Abhyasta. We'll talk about Abhyasta later when we see some other pratyas. 3rd Gana or Sananta, it's called Abhyasta. It's a technical word, Abhyasta. So the 7 dhatus of the 2nd Gana and the 3rd Gana, they come under the category Abhyasta, where you see the duplication happening. So that is Abhyasta. Anabhyasta is dhatu belongings to the other Gana, Anabhyasta. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 10. And 2nd Gana also 5, 7, 8, 9. Everything comes under Anabhyasta. Now let us see Anabhyasta first. So Gachat Pratipadikam we derived. Gachat. So it's Prathama Purusha, it's Prathama Bhakti Ekavachanam is Gachan. So Gachan, Gachanto, Gachantaha, Gachantam, Gachanto, Gachataha. Only for the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya you get Numahama. From 2, 3 onwards it is Asarvanamastana, therefore no Numahama. Gachan we derived from the Kriyapadam, Gachanti. Gachan. From Gachan we derive we infer the Pratipadikam, not derive, we infer the Pratipadikam, Gachat. Okay. So that is how the Shatranta of all the Gana. We can chant once, we can repeat. Gachat is the first Gana. Example for the first Gana. Gam dhatu you are taking. Any dhatu you can take, your choice. Now, Gachan, Gachanto, Gachantaha.
Gacchantau,
Gachantam, Gachanto, Gachataha. You need to understand, remember this very clearly, what we are saying now. Because when you go when you see Srilinga and Napumsakalinga, slightly it will be confusing. So therefore, first you understand the Pullinga very clearly. Then fourth gana, divyat pratipadikam, divyan, divyantau, divyantaha,
दिव्यं
दिव्यन्तौ
दिव्यन्तौ
दिव्यन्तः
दिव्यन्तः
divyantam, divyantau, divyataha.
दिव्यं
दिव्यन्तौ
दिव्यन्तौ दिव्यतः
Then sixth gana, tudat, tudan, tudantau, tudantaha,
उदन्तौ उदन्तः
tudantam, tudantau, tudataha.
उदन्तौ
Chorayat, tenth gana, chorayan, chorayantau, chorayantaha. Chorayantam, chorayantau, chorayataha. Then fifth gana, chinvat, chinvan, chinvantau, chinvantaha. Chinvantam, chinvantau, chinvataha. Then eighth gana, kurvan, kurvantau, kurvantaha. Kurvantam, kurvantau, kurvataha. Kreenan, kreenantau, kreenantaha. Kreenantam, kreenantau, kreenataha. Rundhan, rundhantau, rundhantaha. Rundhantam, rundhantau, rundhataha. Then second gana, san, santau, santaha. Santam, santau, sataha. This is covered. Then on the left hand side, the third gana, jugotyadi gana. Dadat, dadatau, dadataha. No, no, mahama. Dadatam, dadatau, dadataha. From Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, we know it is like Marut Shabda, it is simple. And for the second gana, these seven dhatus are given. They are not so important. Just note the dhatus. Jagrat, Jakshat, Chakasat, Shasat, Daridrat, Didhyat, Vevyat. So these dhatu, the dhatu derived, the Pratipadikam derived from this dhatu, Jagra dhatu, Jaksh dhatu, they will not get Numakama. These seven will not get Numakama also when Sarvanama, in the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. So third gana and this seven. This is for Pullinga. So Pullinga, it is very clear. The place of Sarvanamastana, when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, then Numakama will be there. And Sarvanamastana is 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 1 2 2. So oh just out. These are the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. When this Pratyaya follows, other than the third gana and the seven dhatus of the second gana, will get Numakama. This is about the Pullinga. Okay. So now we'll continue with this, the exercise. We are going to complete this Pullinga. Then we are going to start Strilinga. Therefore, when I introduce this chart, it will be very useful. It's a useful chart. Everything is covered in one page. Now let us do this exercise. This we did, Panchami we did in the last class. Now Shashti Vibhakti. Ganeshji can read. Shatranta, Shashti Vibhakti. Ganesh ji, you can unmute your mic.
अधः कानिचन वाक्या
Kanichana.
कानिचन वाक्यानि निर्दिष्टानि तेषां परिवर्तनं कृत्वा पुनः लेखनीयम् परिवर्तनक्रमः उदाहरणे प्रदर्शितः अस्ति तदनुगुणं वाक्यानि लिखत.
Given below there are some sentences, so you have to change it. Having changed it, you have to write it again. And how to change the parivartana krama, the change, the order of changing is given below with an example. So in keeping with that, you have to write the vakyas. This is the meaning. Tat anugunam vakyani likata. Udaharanam patatu. Ganesh.
गच्छन् बालकः सुन्दरः.
Now, what is it? Gachan balakaha sundaraha.
The boy who is going is beautiful.
Beautiful. Handsome. Asti we can always apply, right?
Right.
Asti supply. So sundaraha asti. Kaha sundaraha asti?
Balakah sundarah asti.
Balakaha sundaraha asti. And what is the boy doing? Going.
Balakah gacchati.
So Gachan qualifies the Bala and the Bala is Sundara. Then what is the connection between Bala and Sundara? So Gachan is the qualifier, qualifying Balakaha. And between Balakaha and Sundaraha is what is the connection?
Gacchati. Running.
No. Connection means subjective complement. Okay. The boy is handsome. So Sundaraha and Balaka both are in Pratama Vibhakti, subjective complement. Remember we saw Pratama Vibhakti. If it is subjective complement, it will take Pratama Vibhakti. Why Sundaraha is in Pratama Vibhakti? Because it is subjective complement. Right? So Gachan Balakaha Sundaraha Asti. Now, he is using another Kriya Padam, Pashya. Okay. Pashya, Pashyami, he uses. Now convert this sentence into, you see the boy, the going boy, the boy who is going, you see the boy who is going, and the boy is beautiful. You see the beauty, the handsomeness of the going boy. That is the translation. You see the handsomeness of the going boy. Now you read the second sentence.
गच्छतः बालकस्य सौन्दर्यं पश्य.
Pashya. Kim Pashya?
सौन्दर्यं पश्य.
Pashya is Lotlakara, Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanam. You see the Saundaryam. From Sundara we get the word Saundarya. Saundarya is Tadita. Su becomes Sau. It's a Tadita Pratyaya. So Sundara from Pratipadikam we derive another Pratipadikam. That is called Tadita. That is possible by adding the Tadita Pratyaya. From a Pratipadikam you can derive another Pratipadikam by adding the Pratyayas called Tadita. From a Dhatu we derive a Pratipadikam by adding what Pratyaya? Krit Pratyaya. From a Pratipadikam we derive another Pratipadikam. That is by adding Tadita Pratyaya. So anyway, that is not the context. I'm just saying Sundara, you get Saundaryam. Saundaryam Pashya. You see the handsomeness. Of whom? Balakasya. And what the Balaka is doing?
Is running. So, gacchataha.
Going. So Gacchataha. So Balakasya is Shashti Vibhakti. And the boy is running, or going, sorry. Then that also is in Shashti Vibhakti. So Gacchataha is in Shashti Vibhakti. So gacchataha balakasya saundaryam. So balakasya, between balaka and saundarya, there is a sambandha. For this darshana kriya, saundaryam is the karma. Balaka is shashti bhakti. It's not connected to the kriya directly. It is connected to saundarya. Therefore, it is in shashti vibhakti balaka. And there is a qualifier, shatranta qualifier. The boy is going. Therefore, that going also is in shashti bhakti. That is a lesson here. So, gacchataha balakasya saundaryam pashya. You see the handsomeness of the going boy. Suppose the sentence is there in English. We are going to do some English translation also. So, what vibhakti to be used, how to construct a sentence. For that only we are doing all these exercises. Gacchataha balakasya saundaryam pashya. Similarly, you can do the other sentences.
So, Kridan Shishuhu Chaturaha. So, Chaturaha becomes Chaturyam Pashyami.
Yes, Chaturaha becomes Chaturyam. Chaturyam is a karma. Okay. Chaturaha. Karma means Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachana. For the Kriya, Darshana Kriya, Pash, Dhatu. You see the Chaturyam, the intelligence now.
So, Shishu becomes Shishoho.
Yes.
Kridataha Shishoho
Yes.
Chaturyam Pashyami.
Yes. How do you translate?
Look at the cleverness of the running child.
Playing boy, playing child. Look, not look, I see. I see the intelligence of the child who is playing. Other playing child. Continue.
Patan Sridharaha Murkaha. So, Murkata Pashya.
Murkatam Pashya.
Murkatam Pashya. So,
all these are Tadita. Okay, Chaturyam, Murkatam, Murkata. That's also Tadita. The one who has stupidity is called Murkata. The status of being stupid is called Murkata. Murkatvam or Murkata. It means the status of being stupid. So Murkatam Pashya. Kasya.
Sridharasya.
And the Sridhara is doing another Kriya. He is doing one Kriya, not another Kriya. He is doing one Kriya.
So, Patataha is falling.
Okay, continue.
Dhavan Balakaha Unnataha. So, Aunatyam. Aunatyam Pashya. So, Dhavataha Balakasya Aunatyam Pashya.
Translation is?
So, look at the superiority of the running boy.
Superiority. Unnataha means, okay, you can take it as superiority also. Depending on the context, it means he is a tall boy.
Tall, okay.
Unnataha. Okay, next person, Sumati ji.
Yeah. Pashyan Archakaha Mahabhaktaha.
Pujayan.
Oh, yeah, what did I say? I'm
You
sorry.
said
Pujayan.
Pashyan.
I'm sorry. Pujayan Archakaha Mahabhaktaha. So it will be Pujayataha Archakasya Bhaktim Pashya.
Mahabhaktim Pashya. Anyway, Bhaktim Pashya, Mahabhaktim Pashya.
Bhaktim Pashya.
Continue.
Then Dhyayan Munivaraha Tejasvi. So this will be Dhyayataha Munivarasya Tejasvitam Pashya.
Pashya, okay.
Then Viharan Vridaha Gambiraha. This will be Viharataha Vriddasya Gambiryam Pashya.
Viharan means?
Viharan.
Playing sports.
Oh.
Viharan. Next person, Krishnanji.
यच्छन्तः धनिकाः उदाराः यच्छताम यच्छताम धनिका धनिका धनिकानाम औदार्यं पश्य.
Bhagavachanam here. Echatam Danikanam Audaryam. All these are Tadita also. Audaryam, Gambhiryam. Okay.
कनन्तः कर्मकारा श्रद्धालवः. खनताम खनताम कर्मकाराणां श्रद्धां पश्य. कर्मकराणां नत्वं.
Yes, not Karanam. Karana.
कर्मकराणां श्रद्धां पश्य.
Shraddham Pashya. Okay. So here also the Karmakara is Karmakaraha. Sandhi. Okay. Sarga. I'm seeing there. Sandhi. Okay, continue.
पठन्तः छात्राः बुद्धिमन्तः. पठन्तः पठतां छात्राणां बुद्धिमत्तां पश्य.
Matam Pashya. Buddhimat Shabda. That is also Takaranta, but it is Tadita. Buddhiman. Dhiman is same. Dhiman. Dhimanto. Dhimantaha. Dhimanto. Dhimantam. Dhimanto. Dhimataha. So, that is Matu Pratyaya. Tadita. That's also Takaranta, but it is not Shatranta. Don't get confused with the Shatranta. Some Tadita Pratipadikam also will be ending with Takara. That is, if it is Tadita, the declension is different. That is why the two Shabdas we saw in the very beginning. One is Patat Shabda, other one is Dhimat Shabda. Dhimat is Tadita, derived from the Pratipadikam Dhi. Dhi means Buddhi. You can take Buddhi also. Buddhi is a Pratipadikam. From that, Buddhimat is derived. Buddhimat is Tadita. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Buddhimat Shabdaha. We are deriving Pullinga. You can derive Strilinga also by adding Sri Pratyaya.
From Dhatu we can derive Tadidanta.
From Dhatu, not Dhatu. Pratipadikam. Buddhi is a Pratipadikam.
Oh.
Buddhi, that's what I said. Buddhi, Dhi is a Pratipadikam, not the Dhatu.
Okay.
Buddha is a Dhatu. Buddha becomes Buddhi, Pratipadikam.
Okay.
And from Pratipadikam, we derive another Pratipadikam. That is Tadita. So Buddhimat. So Buddhi, some Tadita also, you will find ending with Takara. So don't get mixed up, get confused with the Shatranta. So if it is Buddhimat, then Buddhiman, Buddhimantau, Buddhimantaha, Buddhimantam, Buddhimantau, Buddhimataha iti. With the Shatranta, you will see very clearly the Dhatu. Like Patat, Gachat, Kadat, you see the Dhatu very clearly there. Dhatu plus this Shatranta will be there. Okay. Shatranta, Ati, remove it. You will see very clearly the Dhatu. Whereas in Buddhimantaha, there is no At to remove it, first of all. And the Buddhi is very clearly seen. You can see it's a Pratipadika. So you can make out from that. If you have confusion with Tadita, otherwise it's no problem. Next person. Rameshwari.
Yeah.
One question. Suranji, one question.
Yes.
This Buddhimattam, why it is double ta? Will it not be Buddhimattam?
Buddhimatam.
Double ta.
Double ta is also allowed, and Buddhimatam also. Buddhimat is a Pratipadikam.
Yeah, Buddhimat is Buddhiman, Buddhimanto, Buddhimanta.
We have to see why it is double takara. You can have it as single takara. Buddhimatam, it's fine. I guess. Okay. Buddhimatam. We have to see why it is double takara. Maybe we have Buddhimat plus am, Buddhimatam. I don't see any reason why it become double takara. You can take it as Buddhimatam. Even I don't write double takara. I just write only one takara. Okay. So you can take it as single takara now. We'll see if anything specific is there for this. Yes, Kameshwariji.
And I want to know this Tadita clearly. I don't get
Tadita, we are not
clear
discussing.
idea. Then and there you are using other
Tadita-
classes also.
Tadita, we have never seen. Tadita is, I just said, it is derived from a Pratipadikam. That's Tadita.
Okay.
That much is enough.
Okay.
Pratipadikam is, a new Pratipadikam is derived from another Pratipadikam
Okay.
by adding the pratyas. And the pratyas are called Tadita. Only that much I said. I didn't say anything more to do that. Example, Dhimat Shabda, what we have seen. You can remember, Dhimat or Buddhimat. Should know the distinction between Taditanta and Shatranta, Takara, Takaranta. Takaranta Tadita, Takara Taditanta Shabda and Takara Shatranta Shabda. All Shatranta will be Takara only. Understand the difference between these two. Don't get confused with this. That much is enough now.
Okay.
Okay.
कार्यं कुर्वन्तः जनाः कुशलाः कार्यं कुर्वतां जनानां कौशलं पश्य.
Yes. So Karyam is the, what is Karyam? Karyam is what Karaka? Karyam Kurvatam. Karana Karaka. How it became Karana? Karana Karaka will be in Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yeah,
Karyam is in what Vibhakti?
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
So it is for which Kriya? Kurvantaha Pashya, two Kriyas are there. Karyam Kurvatam Jananam Kaushalam Pashya. That is the Vakya you said. So Karya is the Karna Karaka. For which Kriya?
Kurvantaha.
Krudatu.
Krudatu.
Yes. So Karyam is 2-1. 2-1 not for the Pashya, 2-1 for the Shatranta, the Dhatu, Krudatu. Krudatu is a Kurvatam, Jananam. So Kurvatam is qualifier for Jananam. For Krudatu, the Karaka, the Karma Karaka is Karyam. Karyam Kurvatam Jananam Kaushalam Pashya. How do you translate?
People who are doing some work, are expert in this.
See the people, see the Kaushalam, see the intelligence or the dexterity, the skillfulness, the skillness of the people, working people. See this skillness of the people who are doing work. Karyam Kurvatam Jananam Kaushalam Pashya. Okay. Continue.
सप्तमी विभक्तिः समुदायात् कस्यचित् पृथङ् निर्देशः यदा भवति तदा समुदायवाचकस्य पदस्य सप्तमी within brackets षष्ठी वा भवति. अतः समुदायवाचिकानि शत्रन्तविशेषणयुक्तानि पदानि पृथक् कृताः व्यक्तयः च निर्दिष्टाः एतदाधारेण उदाहरणानुसारं वाक्यानि रचयत. समुदायात्
Samudayavachinah is what is you see here. Samudayat kasyachit pritang nirdeshah yatha bhavati. Tada samudayavachakasya padasya saptami shashti va bhavati. Okay. Adaha samudayavachakani shatranta visheshana yuktani padani. Pritakrataha vyaktaya cha nirdishtaha. Etat adarena udaharanaanusaram vakyani rachayata. You see the samudayavachinaha Davantaha balakaha. Samudaya vacham means group of words. Okay. Davantaha balakaha. And pratakritaha separated. Ramaha pratamaha. Now, see the example. Now, you have to join Davantaha balakaha. is Samudaya Vacha is the boys who are running. Among them, you are separating.
Rama.
You are separately, distinctly mentioning Rama as what? Pratamaha.
Pratamaha.
So Ramaha Pratamaha. Rama is the first. Among whom? Among the boys who are running. So what vibhakti you will use? Either
I think they're saying
Saptami
Saptami or
or Shashti.
Shashti.
So that is what he says. So example is first one, Dhavantaha Balakaha. So you can see Ramaha Pratamaha. Dhavatsu Balakeshu Ramaha Pratamaha Asti. Among the running boys, among the boys who are running, Rama is the first. So Saptami is used. Right?
Yeah.
The same way you have to use. So when you are Pratakritaha is separately, distinctly mentioning a person. That is called Pratakranam. When Pratakranam is there, you use Saptami Vibhakti. You use Saptami Vibhakti. Okay. So now he says, 1 minute. Okay. You can read second sentence.
अभिनयन्तः नटाः कुमारः श्रेष्ठः. अभिनयत्सु नटेषु कुमारः श्रेष्ठः. पठन्तः छात्राः हरीशः बुद्धिमान्. पठत्सु छात्रेषु. So पठत्सु छात्रेषु हरीशः बुद्धिमान्. क्रीडन्तः बालकाः गोविन्दः पटुः. क्रीडत्सु बालकेषु गोविन्दः पटुः.
Patuhu means intelligent. Patuhu means skill. Intelligent also. Yes, Patuhu. Krida Patuhu means expert in playing. Sports person. Krida Patuhu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then गायन्तः गायकाः मुरली विशारदः. गायत्सु गायकेषु मुरली विशारदः.
Okay.
कार्यं कुर्वन्तः उद्योगिनः कृष्णः समीचीनः. कार्यं कुर्वत्सु here it is udyogishu or
Udyoginaha is there. What shabda is it? Udyoginaha.
it is like udyogin, like karin.
Nakaranta shabda. Karin shabda. So it will be
So udyogishu.
Karishu.
Udyogishu. No?
Yes.
Udyogishu Krishnah Samichinah. गच्छन्तः जनाः अचलः अग्रणीः खलु. गच्छत्सु.
Yes. Gachatsu.
जनेषु जनाः अचलः अग्रणीः खलु. I don't understand the meaning.
Gachatsu Janeshu Achalaha Agranihi Kalu. Achalaha is the name of the person. Okay. Don't think it's mountain.
Oh.
Among the people who are going, Achalaha is the name of the person. Is the Agrani means is a first foremost person. Okay.
Then Nadyam Viharantah Pakshinah Hamsah Sundarah. Viharatsu. Nadyam Viharatsu Pakshishu.
Yes,
Pakshishu. Like Harishu. Hari.
Not Harishu. Pakshin. Pakshin is Nakaranta Shabda. Pakshi, Pakshino, Pakshinaha.
Okay. Pakshishu हंसः
It is
सुन्दरः.
like Karin Shabda only. Pakshaha asya asti iti pakshin. That which a paksha means feathers. That which has feathers, wings, is called a pakshin.
Okay. Okay.
And nakara, nattum happens. Okay, continue.
तरन्तः तरुणः अरुणः तरणपटुः. तरन्तः, that will be taratsu. Taratsu taruneshu arunah taranapatuhu. Oh, this is Arunah also name, huh?
Aruna is a name. He is an expert swimmer among the people who are among the Taruna, among the young
the
people.
swimmers.
Among the young people
Yeah,
who are swimming, Aruna is expert. Swimmer, great swimmer. Yes.
Alankurvantah janaha mohanah nipunah. Alankurvatsu janeshu mohanah nipunah. Likantah ete ravihi tikshnamatihi. Likatsu eteshu ravihi tikshnamatihi.
Yes, this is usage of Shatranta in Saptami. All the vibhakti we have seen except Tritiya. Tritiya we will see. Then Mishra Vakyani, next person, Sundarji. Now the Shatranta will be mixed up. All the vibhaktis you will see mixed up and given here. You can read. Mishra Vakyani.
Vakyante avarane dattanam shabdanam uchitaihi rupaihi vrittasthanani purayanta.
Meaning is clear. So the bracket given
in the
Shabda.
bracket.
So you have to use the appropriate forms of that Shabda in the blank.
Tatra balakasya nama Sureshah. Tatra kridataha balakasya nama Sureshah.
The same way, the examples. And this, the same as the example, you can do the sentences.
Upaharam kadan chatraya paniyam dadatu. Upaharam kadataha chatraya. That means
Dadatu.
both Ramaya.
Therefore,
Vibhakti.
why you go to Rama? Okay.
No, Chatra. Because
No, that's Ramaya, Chatraya, fine. For the Kridanta,
that is Marute, that is Kadate.
Kadate, Chatraya. Why it is Chaturthi? Because
Ramaya, the Chatraya.
yeah, Ramaya is why Chaturthi? Because Dadatu. Dadatu, yeah. When there is an action of giving, then Chaturthi will be there. Chaturthi Vibhakti will be there. Because the recipient of the action will be Chaturthi, Sampradana Karaka. So, Paniyam is water. To whom you give? The Chatra. So, he is going to be the recipient, therefore Chaturthi Vibhakti. Sampradana, therefore Chaturthi Vibhakti. Chatraya. And what the Chatra does? Eats. Therefore, the boy is qualified by his eating action, and that is represented by Shatranta, Kadate. What does he eat?
Paniyam.
Not Paniyam. Paniyam is somebody is saying you give water to him who is, what is he doing? Who is having breakfast? Upaharam Kadate. So for Kadate, which is Chaturthi Vibhakti, Dhatu is Kad, for which the karma is Upaharam. Right?
Yeah.
Upaharam is what Vibhakti? Tritiya Vibhakti. Upaharam to one. Is it the karma for Dadatu? No. You are not. Dadatu, for Dadatu, karma is Paniyam. Not Upaharam. So for Kadate only it is Upaharam is the karma. So Upaharam Kadate Chatraya Paniyam dadatu. You give water to the eating student. And what does he eat? Breakfast.
Pani.
Who is eating breakfast?
Breakfast.
Okay.
पाठं लिखन् रामेण प्रश्न कृतः
Kritaha is equal to, you can, okay, let it be Kritaha now, doesn't matter. You are going to need fill in the blank.
Yeah.
Yes.
पाठं लिखता रामेण प्रश्नः कृतः.
It says Karmani actually, Karmani Priyakha. We are going to see that. That's why Tritiya Bhakti I said we will do it later. Because we have to know the Karmani forms. Patam Likata Ramena Prashnaha Krita. Prashna, the question was asked to the writing Rama. To the Rama who was writing the lesson. So it is Karmani anyway. So Likata is fine. You have fill in the blank with the right form. Likata. That is okay. Now continue.
अध्यापकः गृहं प्रति आह्वयामि. गच्छन् अध्यापकः गृहं प्रति आह्वयामि.
Ahvayami, I call. Whom do I call?
अध्यापकः गच्छन् अध्यापकः.
Gachan Adhyapakaha Graham Prati.
आह्वयामि.
There's a mistake, is there?
Adhyapakam.
See, Ahvayami
Dvitiya
is
vibhakti.
yes.
Okay.
Adhyapakam it must
Call
be.
him. Okay.
I call the teacher who is going. I invite the teacher to the house who is going. So Adhyapaka must be Adhyapakam.
गच्छन् अध्यापकं
Not
गृहं
Gachan Adhyapakam. If it is Gachan Adhyapakam, it will be
गच्छन्तं अध्यापकं
Gachantam Adhyapakam. So you can correct
Griham
Adhyapakam.
प्रति आह्वयामि.
Yes. So two karmas are there. One is I call the teacher. I call the teacher where? Griham Prati. So Ahvayami for that, the direct karma is Adhyapaka. And it is qualified by the Gachan. Kriya Shatranta Pratipadikam Gachan. Gachat. So Gachantam. Now Griham also is karma. It is karma because, and what karma is it? Upapada Vibhakti. Prati is therefore Upapada Vibhakti. Griham Prati. Ahvayami. So two karmas are there. Ahvayami. There are some dhatus which can take two karma. So Griham is also karma. Adhyapakam is also karma. I invite. Whom do I invite? And where do I invite? Griham Ahvayami. I call him to the house. Adhyapakam Griham Ahvayami. It can take two karma. It is like Prichami. You ask, what do you ask? You ask a question. Whom do I ask? You ask the student. So student as well as the question, both will be karma. So some dhatus, they can take two karmas. Because when they take two karmas, another karma can be represented in another vibhakti. That we will see later. That's called, those dhatus are called dvikarmaka dhatus. So Ahvayami is also one among them. It's not in the list of dvikarmaka, but it can take two karmas. Okay, continue.
क्रीडाङ्गणे डैश बालकैः कोलाहलः क्रियते. क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीड्भिः बालकैः.
Again, what is the form?
क्रीडन्तः, that is
Patata, patabhyam, then?
पठता पठत्भ्यां पठद्भिः.
Therefore,
क्रीडद्भिः.
क्रीडद्भिः.
क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडद्भिः बालकैः कोलाहलः क्रियते.
This is also karmani prayoga. Okay.
कार्यालये कार्यं.
Okay, let's complete this anyway. Yes.
कार्यालये कार्यं उद्योगिभ्यः उत्कोचः न दातव्यः. कुर्वन्तः उद्योगिभ्यः. कार्यालये कार्यम्
उद्योगिभ्यः उत्कोचः.
उद्योगिभ्यः उद्योगिभ्यः means
So what vibhakti udyogibhyah? You have to find out vibhakti of udyogibhyah. What vibhakti could it be?
उद्योगिभ्यः.
What vibhakti udyogibhyah?
It could be Chaturthi or Panchami.
Panchami. What vachanam?
Bahuvachanam.
Could be Chaturthi or Panchami. No, Datavyaha is there. Dadatu. Therefore, what vibhakti should be?
Datavyaha.
Dadatu is that to give. Just now we saw. What vibhakti must be done? Da is giving, right?
Yeah.
The giving action will govern what vibhakti.
Chaturthi.
So therefore, it is not Panchami, right?
Okay.
So Panchami is ruled out. Now the Panchami Chaturthi form of Kurvantaha. Kurvantaha is a Kurvat Pratipadikam will be
Kurvantaha. It is Kurute, Kurutbyam, Kurutbhyaha.
yes.
Kurutbhya.
Not
Karyalaye karyam.
Kurvate, not Kurute. Kurvate,
Sorry.
Kurvadbyam, Kurvadbhyaha.
Kurvatbhya.
There is
Kurvatbhya.
no Kuru.
Okay.
Because Pratipadikam itself is Kurvat only, right?
Okay.
So Kurvan, Kurvantau, Kurvantaha, Kurvantam, Kurvantau, Kurvataha, Kurvata, Kurvatbyam, Kurvatbhiki, Kurvate, Kurvatbyam, Kurvatbhyaha. So what does it mean? The sentence says. What is it translation?
Karyalayam karyam kurvatbhyaha udyogibhyaha utkochaha na dhatavyaha.
Anybody?
Those people
Hmm.
who work udyogibhyaha, that is in an organized utkochaha na dhatavyaha. They don't give.
Yes, should not be given. Na datavyaha should not be given. Utkochaha na datavya should. Here it is tavya. That's a, we have to see. It's a pratyas. Datavyaha means should not be given. Utkochaha means bribe. Okay.
Bribe.
Bribe should not be given to the udyogya, to the workers, to the employees who are working in the office. Karyalaye karyam kurvadbhyaha udyogibhyaha utkochaha na datavyaha. Utkochaha na datavyaha. That is a sentence, main sentence. Bribe should not be given. To whom? Udyogibhyaha. What do they do? Kurvadbhyaha, doing. What do they do? Karyam, work. Karyam is the karma. Karma for the krudhatu. Where do they work? Karyalaye. That is adhikarana. Adhikarana karaka. It is in Saptami Vibhakti. It is connected to which kriya? Again, Kru kriya only. Krudhatu. The Shatranta only. It's Shatranta Pratipadikam only. It is connected. Not to Datavyaha. Right? So you can see here, Karyalaya is Adhikarana. Karyalaya is Adhikarana. Karya is Karma. They are connected to Krudhatu, which is in Chaturthi Bhakti here. Kurvadbhyaha, Udyogibhyaha. Okay, the next person, Ganeshji. Number 6.
Anande,
Asande.
sorry, Asande Chatram Adhyapakaha Tarjayati. Chatram Tarjayati.
Adhyapakaha Tarjayati.
Chatram, it is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yes.
So Anande,
Asande.
sorry, Asande Upavishantam.
Yes.
Upavishantam Chatram Adhyapakaha Tarjayati.
Meaning?
Dvitiya Vibhakti. So the seated student, the teacher scolds the seated student.
Sitting in the chair. The teacher scolds the student
Sitting.
who is sitting in the chair.
Chair.
Asande upavishantam chatram adhyapakah tarjayati. Okay. So asanda is saptami connected to the kriya upavishantam, upavishtatu. Vishtatu, upa plus vish. Okay. Continue.
Vrikshat Vanaran Janaha Pashyanti. So Vanaran.
Yes.
So Vanaran means Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Mm.
So Vrikshat Patantaha. So Patataha.
Aha.
Patataha, because Patataha Vanaran Janaha Pashyanti.
So it takes time to identify the vibhakti.
Takes time.
Vanaran is that. Vanaran, when you see, you should be able to see Raman, Dvitiya Bhakti, 2, 3. Therefore, Shatranta, Patantaha is there. So, Patat Shabdaha. So, 2, 3 should come. So, Patat Shabda. So therefore, you have to be familiar with the Shabdas to identify the vibhakti. So, Vanaran, Vanara Shabda, Vanaran, 2, 3, like Raman. And therefore, the qualifier, Shatra will be, Shatrata will be 2, 3, which will not have Numagama. Therefore, Patataha. When you say 2, 3, other than this 5, don't do Magama business. So, like Marut Shabda. So, if you know Marut, it will be easy. Okay, now the translation is
The monkeys.
no, you always start from the Pashyanti. Janaha Pashyanti.
Pashyanti. The people see monkeys on the trees who are falling. Monkeys who are falling from the trees.
Monkey is falling from the tree. Yes. Continue.
Ratrau Balakeshu Kiyat Dhairyam. Kiyat. So Balakeshu. So that becomes Saptami Vibhakti. So Gachatsu.
Gachatsu.
Gachatsu Balakeshu.
Yes. Gachatsu Balakeshu Kiyat Dhairyam. How much courage the boys have. How much courage the boys have who go in the night. Kiyat Dhairyam means, Kiyat means how much.
Okay, it's a question.
It's not a question. It is how much Dhairya they have got to go in the night. It's a right statement like that.
Right.
Kiyat Dhairyam. Gachatsu Balakeshu Ratrau. How much Dhairya, how much courage, how much courage they have to walk in the night, to go in the night, the boys. That's the meaning. Okay, continue.
Paniyam Jananam Ganana Karaniya. Jananam Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Jananam Dvitiya Bhakti.
Jananam. It can be Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Not it can be. It should be only. There is no possibility. That's not option. Jana is a Pratipadika.
Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So Jananam.
Dvitiya Vibhakti will be Janam or Janan.
Janam. Jananam.
Jananam is Shashti Vibhakti. So therefore,
So Shashti. So Pibantaha. Pibantaha becomes Pibatam.
Pibatam. Paniyam Pibatam Jananam Ganana Karaniya. Ganana is counting. Counting should not be done. Don't count the people who are drinking water.
Janana.
Right? Okay.
Where is no?
Where is?
Paniyam Jananam Ganana Karaniya.
Paniyam Pibatam Jananam Ganana Karaniya. Paniyam is water. So don't count the people Who are
There is
drinking
no
water?
na.
You supplied
There
na.
is na is not there.
Oh,
Roshan
sorry.
ji.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Don't. Because water is there, therefore I said no, don't count. Okay. Na is not there. Okay. Please count then. Yes. Garana Karaniya. Okay. We are giving water. We should not count the number of people. That's why it came automatic. Okay. Garana Karaniya should be counted. Counting should be done of the people drinking water. Okay. Next line you can read.
पक्षपातम् एतस्मै सह क्रुध्यति.
Krud dhatu will govern Chaturthi Bhakti. Okay, there are
Right.
some dhatus which govern Chaturthi. Krud dhatu, Ruch dhatu, Snig dhatu. These dhatus will govern Chaturthi.
चतुर्थी विभक्ति.
So, etasmai, saha krudyati, etasmai krudyati. Krud is krodha, anger. Towards whom the anger is directed. That will be in Chaturthi Bhakti. That person or that thing will be in Chaturthi. Towards whom or what you have love, that will be in Chaturthi Bhakti.
Right.
Ruchidhatu is a different type of that one. So here, Saha Krudyati is angry. Towards
Right.
whom? Etasmai. Now complete that.
So पक्षपातम् कुर्वते एतस्मै सह क्रुध्यति.
Pakshapata is partiality.
Partiality.
He is angry with the people who shows. Kurvate is who.
Whoever.
Kurvate, who is doing partiality. Who shows partiality. Translation, we have to say who shows partiality. Or you can translate any way you like also. Kurvate etasmai. So the people etasmai, that is referring to that person, etasmai, that particular person. Kurvate etasmai pakshapatam kurvate etasmai saka krudyati. He is angry towards that person, this person, who is
Who
partial.
is partial.
Okay. Next person. Sumati ji.
Yeah. Patram लिखन्तः छात्रैः गृहपाठः न लिखतः. लिखितः. So छात्रैः is 3-3. So it will be लिखद्भिः.
Yes.
Then आकाशात् पतन्तः वृष्टि बिन्दुभ्यः दूरं गच्छतु. So this will be gachatu. This will be Vishti. It can be 4-3 or 5-3.
Yeah, which one is
Since
that?
it should be 5-3 because it's from Akashat, from the clouds, no, from the sky. So Vishti Bindu. So shall we say?
You have to tell me. Is it because of it is because of Akashat? It is Panchami.
No, Sharanji. It is because of Gachatu. You have to see.
Is it because of Gachatu? No. Akashat also Panchami. You said Vrishti Bindubhyaha Panchami. Yes, that's correct.
Vishti because of
Panchami?
the Vishti only you have to see. Vishti Bindubhyaha.
Why Vrishti Bindubhyaha is in Panchami?
Because it's falling from the sky, from Akash.
Then Akasha must be in Panchami. That already it is there.
Yeah.
Akasha Vrishti Binduhu Patati. That is okay. Vrishti Bindu means the rain drops.
Yeah.
It falls to the Akasha. So Akasha is the Apadana. That is fine. If you say like that, it is okay. Vrishti Binduhu Patati Akasha. But Vrishti Bindubhyaha itself is Panchami. Why? Anybody?
Because it's falling.
Duram is the reason. You move away. You go away from Padana.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That is why. Now, here you need to understand. Akashat. What is the in the blanks? Patadbhyaha, right?
patadvyah.
Patadvyah. Akashat patadvyah
Patadvyah,
vrishtibiндubhyah duram gacchatu. So Akashat is Panchami. Patadvyah also Panchami. Vrishtibiндubhyah Panchami. For vrishtibiндubhyah patadvyah is adjective. Right?
Yeah,
For patadvyah Akashat, is it adjective or not?
yeah, from the sky.
No, it's adjective or not?
Yes.
Patadvyah is Bhagavachanam.
Yeah.
Akashat is Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Can it be adjective then?
No, cannot be. I cannot be.
It cannot be.
Yeah.
Akashat is the apadana karaka for the patana kriya.
Oh.
Understand? Akasha is the apadana karaka for the patana kriya. From where it falls, Akashat. And patad itself is in Panchami qualifying Prishtibindubhyaha, because from where Duram Gachatu, you move away. Understand
Okay.
the sentence?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
as I said, the Shatranta that can bring its Karaka. Here it bringing its Apadana Karaka. And the whole sentence is in Panchami. There is a possibility, the confusion, all these Panchamis are there, then you may think this Panchami qualifies. It cannot qualify also. You can see clearly the difference in Vachanam. Akashat is Ekavachanam. Vrishtibiндubhyaha is Bhagavachanam. Panchami. And Patadvyah is going to qualify Vrishtibiндubhyaha Panchami. Everything is Panchami, therefore Visheshanam? No. For Vrishtibiндubhyaha, Patadvyah is Visheshanam. Yes. Shatranta is Visheshanam, right? Adjective.
Yeah. Yeah.
And for the Shatranta, which has got the Dhatu, Pat, Patana Kriya, for that, Akasha is Apadana Karaka. Akasha is Apadana Karaka. That is why it's in Panchami. But Patana Kriya can bring its Karaka. We have seen so many examples before. Even the previous example. Patram likat bihi chatrehi gragapatam na likitaha. So, Patram likat bihi. For Lekana Kriya, Patram is what? Karma.
Karma.
So 2-1. So it can bring its all the other karakas, 2-1, 3-1, whatever may be, can bring it. Here it is in Panchami. So everything is in Panchami, therefore the confusion is possible. You can note this sentence. Important, good sentence. Akashat patadbhyaha vrishtibiндubhyaha duram gacchatu. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
between Akasha and Patana Kriya only connection. Not with the Gamana Kriya. And Gamana Kriya is there, Duram Gacchatu is there. Therefore, from where you're asking to move away, to go away, Vrishtibiндubhyaha, that is Panchami. And Shatranta is in Panchami qualifying Vrishtibiндubhyaha. The falling raindrops. From the falling raindrops, you go away. And the raindrops fall from Akasha.
Akasha.
You move away, go away from the falling raindrops, which are falling from the Akasha, sky. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
The next one is
But you can do better
Atra.
translation. You can rearrange the sentence to do better translation. Anyway, but this is the meaning. Yes. Continue.
Yeah. Atra agachantah sarvebhyah dhanam svikurmah. Again, sarvebhyah can be 4-3 or 5-3. So it is svikurmah is like collecting. So it will be like four we use sampradana. So agachatvyah. Atra agachatvyah sarvebhyah dhanam svikurmah.
Why it is 4? You are not giving, right? You are
Collecting means
accepting. Vayam svikurmaha. We accept. Svikurmaha. We accept wealth. Here. From
atra sarve, from all.
From everyone.
Everyone.
Who are coming here? Who are coming?
So it's 5-3 will be a better.
It is not better.
5-3. It is only. Yeah.
If you are giving, then it is Chaturthi. But you are accepting. Therefore, it is
5-3. Okay.
Okay.
Then Upavasam Acharan Munina Maudam Stitam. So Munina is
See the
3-1.
sentence, sorry, the previous sentence. Atra agacchadvyah not agacchadvyah sarvebhyah dhanam svikurmah. Vayam dhanam svikurmah sarvebhyah vayam dhanam svikurmah. Svikurmah is there. Suppose dhanam swikarotu is there, then what will happen?
Karotu is, we should collect, it is lotlakara.
No, I'm just saying swikarotu or svikurvanti, something is there. It's of svikurmaha. Anyway, then it will be in, or it could be, you can, instead of svikurmaha, you can change the dhatu to dadatu. Make it to dadatu.
Okay, then it will be 4-3 only.
Then it will be 4-3.
4-3.
The meaning will be atra agacchadvyah sarvebhyah dhanam dhanam dadatu. You give dhanam to the people who are coming here.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
Then upavasam acharan munina maunam stitam. So munina is 3-1. So it will be acharata. Upavasam acharata munina maunam stitam.
It's also karmani only. Maunam stitam.
Stitam, yeah.
By the Muni who is observing upavasa.
Upavasa is
Yes,
silent.
He sat silently. It's in Maunam. Okay.
Then last one, Chittaram likantaha balakanam namani na janami. So balakanam is 6-3. So it will be Chittaram likatam balakanam namani na janami.
Yes. Chitram is the karma for lekana kriya.
Yeah.
Likatam balakanam namani. I don't know the names of the boys who are drawing. Yeah. So now with this, Shatranta Pullinga is completed. So do you have any doubts in this? Please ask. Strilinga. The next topic is Strilinga. Okay. I'll give you this as homework. You can try this. Next person, Krishnaji. Can you translate this? Oh, I'm sharing the file, Word file. Do you see the Word file?
No, Ji.
Okay. Now you see. Please translate.
While doing work, the father saw the son. Okay, saw the son. So Kriyapadam is lung form apashyat.
Yes.
Kaha apashyat janakaha. Kam apashyat son. Janakaha putram apashyat.
Yes.
So now while doing work is for the father. So karyam kurvan janakaha putram apashyat.
Putram apashyat. Good. I thought to be done. The translation is. I think the answer is here. Answer is here? Yes. Okay, it is hidden.
Oh.
Okay, the next one. Dhameshwari. Answer is there, but I will not show you now. You tell me, then I will show you.
Aravinda draws a picture while listening to a song. Draws a picture. Draws a chitram.
Chitram likati only. Brahmin don't think is likati. Right?
Yeah, or chitram karoti.
Yeah, chitram karoti.
Chitram likati. Okay.
Kaha.
Kaha or ka Aravinda.
Aravinda only.
Aravinda. Pullinga. Okay. Aravindaha kam chitram chitram लिखति अरविन्दः चित्रं
चित्रं
लिखति
लिखति or चित्रलेखनं करोति. Anyway, you can say.
चित्रलेखनं करोति. While
While
listening to
listening.
a Shrunvan, so to a song. Here, listening to a song means is it sampradana?
Why sampradana?
No, not too comfortable. Okay.
Oh, Karaka, you should not get confused with the Karaka. He listens to their song.
Okay. Ganam Shrunvantam.
Shrunvantam. Why Shrunvantam?
Ganam.
Who is listening to the song?
Prathama Bhakti only. Arvinda.
Aravindaha. So therefore?
Aravindaha Ganam Shrunvan.
Shrunvan.
So,
Ganam
Shrunvan.
Shrunvan Aravindaha.
Okay. Ganam Shrunvan Aravindaha Chitram
Karoti.
Karoti.
Why sampradana?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Geetam Shrunvan Aravindaha Chitram Likati.
Likati.
Sundarji. While buying sandals, Rakesh takes money from the money purse.
Takes money from the money purse. Takes is
Nayati. Simple.
okay. Dhanam nayati. Rakeshaha dhanam nayati.
From where?
From where? Money purse is
Dhanasyuta, money purse. Syuta means bag.
Dhanasyutat dhanam nayati.
Okay.
Rakeshaha.
Mm-hmm.
While buying sandals.
Yes.
There is sandals is
Padarakshaka.
Padarakshaka.
Padaraksha.
Padaraksham Kreenan Rakeshaha.
Not Kreenan. We just know we chanted in the beginning. Ninth gana. Kreenan.
Kreen. Okay.
Kreenan, Kreenantau, Kreenantaha. Kreenantam, Kreenantau, Kreenataha. Right?
Kreenan. Padarakshakam Kreenan Rakeshaha. Dhanasyutat dhanam nayati.
Padatranam. Okay. Anyway, Padaraksham or Padatranam. Kreenan Rakeshaha. Dhanasyuta dhanam. Oh, Swikaroti. I mean, okay. Says Swikaroti. Swikaroti means takes or accepting. Next one, Ganeshji. The crying child calls the grandmother.
So calls is ahvayati.
Yes.
So Shishu ahvayati. Grandmother is grandmother. Pitamata,
Pitamahi.
Pitamahi. So Shishu Pitamahi ahvayati. So crying child. Krandan. Krandan Shishuhu.
Yes. Not Krandan, Krandan. Krandan.
Krandan. So Krandan Shishu.
Or Rudan. Anyone you can use.
Right.
Krandati or Roditi.
Krandan.
Krandan you are saying. Yes. Krandan.
So Krandan Shishuhu.
Hmm.
Pitamahim ahvayati.
Okay. Sumati ji, last one.
The old man can take solid food now. So take is the Kriya Padam. Take is
Okay, I have given here.
oh,
See,
done,
it's difficult. We have given. See, Vrindaha, Gana is heavy. Gana aharam svikartum shaknuman asti. Svikartum shaknuman. So when shakdatu, because he can take solid, he can take, is eligible, is qualified, is capable, then in that case we use the dhatu shakdatu, right? Shaknoti. Shak, capable. Shaknoti, shaknutaha, shaknuvanti. Fifth gana.
fifth.
So shaknuvat pratipadika, shaknuvan, shaknuvanto, like the chinvat, like that is a dhatu I gave example. So when shak is there, always you will see the tum will come. Most of the time it will be there. Not always, it will be there. Because you are saying capable of doing, capable of doing, capable of walking, capable of eating. So therefore kartum tum will be there. Therefore svikartum. Right?
Okay.
So ganaharam svikartum shaknuvan asti. Is capable of svikartum, accepting, eating. So is capable of eating. So shaknuvan plus the tum will come. Remember that. That is where the example is. So like that I have given many examples, or many are there. Next one is also English. After that onwards, you have to translate from Sanskritam to English. Maybe I will send you this as homework. You please try this. Almost 75 sentences will be there, I think, or not more than that. Oh, it goes on. Yes, many are there. I'll send you. You please work on this sentences. We will do it in the class. The homework. This is covers only Pullinga will be there. I think it will be only Pullinga. So I will send you this file. You can work on this. After we do this, then we get into Strilinga. So Pullinga will be clear to some extent. Then we can go on. Right? So this is it's a long homework. It will take time. So you can do it in your leisure. Try to do it next class. We will do it in the class also. Or you do as much as possible. We will start Strilinga and parallelly we'll cover this homework also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because more than 150 sentences are there. It's a very good exercise for you to try. The translation from English to Sanskrit would be good. But here many sentences are from Sanskritam to English. So you will not find it difficult. Okay, we'll stop here. If any doubts, you can ask.
Yeah, I have a doubt. In English, we say pair of shoes like that. No sandals. How to use that?
You use the Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam. Okay.
Padaraksha. Raksha, suppose is there. Padaraksha. That is why we have Dvivachanam in English. Sorry, Sanskritam. Sanskritam, we have Dvivachanam. No problem.
Because here, one sentence you gave no sandals.
Yes.
There.
Padatranam was there.
I think we use
Padatranam. That which protects the feet. Padatrana. Or Padaraksha. You also can say Padaraksha. Padam Rakshati. Padaraksha.
Okay.
Padaraksha. Dvivachanam.
Okay.
Vidya Bhakti Dvivachanam.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.